Namaskar. I am Shuparna Chakraborty, a Kathak and a Bharatanatyam dancer from West Bengal. As you all know from my introductory post that I am going to perform Kathak for you all today. But before everything else, I would like to thank the international Shiva community for arranging this beautiful online festival as we are witnessing so much talent here. And thank you for making me a part of the Bhakti Revival Festival. I'm really honored and privileged. Thank you. Coming back to my performance, I am going to perform two items for you today. For Bharatanatyam, my guru is Srimati Chandana Chattopadhyay, and for Kathak, I am a disciple of Srimati Shonali Sheth. The international Shiva community wanted us to perform some pure Indian classical dance, and that too on some devotional numbers. So this festival concentrates on the Vedic gods, the true classical feelings of India. My first performance is Sundar Gopalam. It is a Krishna Bandhana, and I am going to perform Sundar Gopalam. It is a Krishna Bandhana, and it is a traditional Lucknow Gharana Kathak piece. I am a practitioner of Lucknow Gharana Kathak. For this piece, the script was written by Vallabhacharya, and the music is composed and sung by none other than Padma Vibhushan Pandit Birju Maharaj. This number is scaled in Tin Tal, the very traditional common 16 beats Tal, and the rag is Bhupal, Madhyam Lad. As every and each Krishna Bandhana, we hear to praise Lord Krishna, His beauty, His charm, His kindness through the performance. But as an artist, as a dancer, what I try to do is to incorporate all the important life events of Krishna into this piece. Of course, those which are choreographically possible into this small music piece. So, let's not waste time. With the blessings of my gurus, my parents and my lovely audience, I am going to start my performance with Sundar Gopalam, a Krishna Bandhana. Please stay with me. Thank you. was my first performance, Krishna Vandana, and it was, as you have seen, it is a very flowing and not a very fast number, as we have depicted every aspect of Krishna's life, his charm, his beauty. But to the contradiction, I am going to perform my next item, that is a Shiv Bandhana, especially based on Tandav. So my next performance is Shiv Bandhana. It is also very common and very traditional Lucknow Gharana Kathak piece, that is Damaru Harakara Baje. It is scaled in the 14 beats Tal Dhamal, and I am going to perform this item, and where my choreography is taken from Guru Moromi Medhi. So this piece is choreographed by Guru Moromi Medhi. I just hope my performance is making you happy, is making you mood elated. So please stay with me as I am proceeding to my next performance, Shiv Bandhana, Shiv Tandav, Damaru Harakara Baj. Thank you.
subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the bell.
I just hope that I tried my level best and made you all happy. Now, as you know, that there is a chit-chat session between you and me. So if you have any question regarding my learning, my compositions, my choice of items, anything regarding dance, then you can ask me. I would love to answer your queries. Thank you, Urmi. Thank you, Ganuji. Thank you, Ishani. Thank you, Vijayji. Thank you, Alokji. Thank you, Sumanthji. Thank you, Induji. Thank you, Moon. Thank you, Induji. I really cannot understand, Ganuji, what's you're writing. Please change the font. I really cannot understand. Thank you, Advita. Thank you, Balaji ji. Thank you for the question, Alokji. I have learned different form of dance, and one of them is, my first dance was Robindra Nritya when I was a child. Then I moved to Bharatanatyam, and then I'm trained in Uday Shankar contemporary style, and now I'm learning Kathak. But it's really difficult to answer that what is my favorite dance form, the most favorite dance form. So I love actually Indian classical forms in every form, so it's really very difficult to understand. Thank you. Dress code, yes. I want to say that it is very unconventional to very unconventional to wear a sari and perform Kathak. But just a few days back, I watched one of my favorite dancer. She was wearing a sari and performing like a goddess. So I just thought that let's give it a chance. Let's wear something unconventional, and I just hope that nothing went wrong. Thank you, Shangita Roy. Thank you. I can't pronounce your name. I really can't pronounce your name, but thank you for your compliment. So I just hope that I answered all your queries. If there is any question, then please ask me. I would love to answer them. And thank you all for watching my performance. It means a lot. Thank you. So I think it's time to wind up my session, and I want to request my audience that it is a beautiful festival going on virtually. So I request all my audience, please go to the Bhakti Revival Festival page and please watch all the videos streaming over there. They are immensely talented. Every one of them are immensely talented. Please support Indian classical art forms, and keep supporting. So I'm winding up the session. No, Alokji, I do not teach. I'm very new to the world of Kathak, and there are a lot of things that I have to learn. So I'm very new to this world, so I really don't feel that I'm worthy of teaching anyone. Thank you. Okay, so I'm winding up the session. Stay healthy, stay happy, and please keep supporting Indian classical art form. Thank you.